India has a huge population and its water resources have been excessively exploited in a disorderly manner. This has deepened the crisis of safe drinking water, resulting in a large population not getting clean drinking water. Apart from this, water sources across the country have been contaminated due to pollution, and the number of harmful bacteria in water is also on the rise. To kill such pathogens, chlorination is the go-to method adopted today, but this chemical method has its own side effects. In view of this, the National Chemical Laboratory of the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research (CSIR) Pune has developed a new technology to purify water by combining traditional Indian knowledge with modern technology. It is a cost-effective hybrid technology developed under the Water Technology Initiative of the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, and it has been named Swastik.
The conventional method of chlorination has a major drawback that it forms disinfection byproducts, some of which are carcinogenic in nature, and therefore we need to have a self-sustaining technology which is economical in our environment, and we believe that this particular development will help us in this regard.
The Safe Water and Sustainable Technology Initiative from Indian Knowledge Base, that is Swastik, involves boiling of a liquid as a result of pressure reduction and also uses natural oils having antimicrobial properties. This technology can eliminate harmful bacteria, including antimicrobial resistant bacteria, economically. During testing, this method was found to remove gram-negative E. coli and gram-positive S. aureus bacteria, and even difficult opportunistic pathogenic bacteria typically in 5 to 10 minutes. The technique integrates the Indian traditional knowledge of Ayurveda for complete disinfection of water and also offers possible health benefits of natural oils.
We developed this technology in 2019. We have already patented this process. We have filed patent in this regard. So we believe that this novel strategy of Swastik can have significant benefits in terms of technological translation and for societal benefits for techno-economically providing safe water and also possibly health benefits, because here we are using natural oils such as clove oil, which is quite useful, and in the COVID-19 scenario where we are concerned with increasing immunity, we can use many such oils for increasing immunity. And this particular technique can be used for household appliances as well as corporation water treatment plants.
This technology is very cost-effective as compared to other modern water treatment procedures and can be easily used at home. This method was demonstrated by researchers at the IIT Bombay TechFest 2020. With the help of Swastik water purification technology, safe and quality drinking water can be made available to all the citizens.